Welcome to the peaceful zoo. It's time to put the zoo animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake. Hello, lion. He's been roaring and playing with his pride all day, and now he's feeling sleepy. Can you say goodnight to the lion and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, lion.
This particular YouTube channel makes over $10,000 every single month, and they were created less than 2 years ago. And I'm going to show you guys proof. I'm going to copy the channel link and head over to Social Blade. And guys, as you can see, the estimated figure is usually somewhere in the center of this figure. So it's fair to say that this channel makes something around the figures between $10,000 to $15,000 every single month just from uploading kids bedtime stories. And they don't just make money from ad revenue alone, but they also have their apps in the App Store, which has generated over hundreds of thousands of downloads. And that's not all. They even have a collection of books, which further adds to the revenue stream. And this is completely awesome. And many of their books are currently bestsellers in this particular niche, in turn making them even more money. Now you might be wondering, how are they able to achieve this? Stop. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. They're able to achieve this by simply creating animated bedtime stories for kids, tapping into a simple but incredibly timeless and always in demand niche. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you not just how to create incredible videos like this, but actually how to beat them. Because if you notice, in their videos, they actually make use of 2D images, yet they're able to gather this much views. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily use AI to create and generate 3D images, which are definitely more engaging, and how you can easily animate them with AI. At this point, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started. Now, if you want to achieve maximum results and success, it is very important to copy what is already working so well on YouTube and adding your own twist to it. And stop doubting yourself. There's someone out there that is waiting to connect with just your own view of the same topic. So for maximum traction and results, we are just going to model our video after what is already proven and doing well on the platform. So click on one of the videos with at least 1 million views, and for me, I chose the one with 3 million views, and copy the video's link. So let's head over to the next part. At this point, you want to head over to Google and type in YouTube Transcript Extractor. Now click on the first website that pops up, youtubetranscript.com. As you can see, this step is quite straightforward, and everything I'm showing to you guys is completely free, so don't panic. Now you want to paste the link into the box and click on go. Now the video transcript is generated. What you want to do now is to select and copy the entire script onto your clipboard, and let's head over to the next step. For this step, head over to ChatGPT and first paste in this prompt. The first thing you want to do is to paste this prompt into ChatGPT, asking it to rewrite the script from the ocean to zoo so that you can stand out and be unique. And then I want to copy the transcribe script, paste below, and click enter. And as you can see, it's slicing through it easily. And now the best part. It's time for us to generate the prompt to design our animals using another AI. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on the next step. Paste the prompt and watch ChatGPT create prompts for the animals easily. Now finally, we need to create a prompt for the zookeeper who will be our narrator. And don't forget, just to recap, first off, you're writing the original script into our own original script, and then we're generating prompt for the zoo animals, and thirdly, we're generating prompt for the zookeeper. Now to get started with this step, you want to head over to a website called TTSF.com on Google and click on the first website as you can see on screen. Now go back to your ChatGPT or to your clipboard and copy the new zookeeper scripts you generated. Now the next thing you want to do is easily sign in or sign up if you're not signed in to the website already, and then you want to paste your script into this section and select the particular voice that is most suiting to you. And for me, I particularly like to use Michelle because she sounds very realistic. As you can see, it's converting my script to voiceover, and this process is quite fast. After it is done converting, you can preview the voice to know if it is to your liking, and then you want to click on download MP3 to download the file to your system. Now for those who don't know, TTS Free is actually a website that helps you generate free and realistic voiceovers for your videos. And currently, this is like the only or one of the best websites available that gives you an unlimited generation of voiceovers. Of course, there is a 2,000 word limit per generation, and even as a plus, TTS Free has a lot of realistically sounding AI voiceover characters, and this can make your work a lot easier and faster. Having achieved this, let's head over to the next step. head over to Google and type in Leonardo.ai. And when it loads up, you can easily just sign up or sign in. It's a pretty straightforward process. Now head over to image generation, and now you have to head over to ChatGPT and copy the script to help us generate the animals. Now paste this script here and click on generate. Mind you, Leonardo.ai gives you 150 tokens to generate images daily, and this automatically renews itself every day. So what this means is you just never run out of creations. Our images are coming to life gradually. Now you want to easily download these images into your system, and in the same manner you have to generate the other images for the other animals. Now remember, we are creating an animated kids bedtime story, so we're going to need images both for the day and the night. So you want to also paste in the prompt for the nighttime image generation, and as you can see, the images for the nighttime are just as equally beautiful. Now this process is quite straightforward, so you can easily replicate this same process for all the other animals. And guys, the same thing applies to your zookeeper. And now we're done with this step, let's head over to the next section. Type in dub in Google, click on start a 3-day free trial, and just follow the on-screen prompt to sign up. Select freelancer, content creator, school project, and hit submit. Now click on AI avatar. Now head onto the image upload section and click on upload. Now locate and select the image you generated earlier with Leonardo AI from your desktop. Now head over to the MP3 section and click upload. Now locate and select the MP3 voice you generated using TTSF.com. Now click on generate talking avatar and hit generate. Now what this site does is that it simply uses AI to merge audio and image together in a beautiful lip sync symphony to give you brilliant results. Okay, it's processing. Yes, it's ready. Now you can decide to preview it, edit it, or just decide to download it straight into your system. I do have a complete and in-depth video on how to create talking avatars from scratch, and this can be very important and vital to boost your channel engagement. Click on the video that is popping up on your screen to watch that particular video and learn more. Type in immensity.ai or click on try now and follow the on-screen prompts to gain access. It's pretty straightforward and you can easily sign up using Google. Now select and upload one of the 3D zoo images you earlier generated from Leonardo. And as you can see, this website has animated and given life to our image. Now it's no longer just a 3D image, but a 3D image with animation. Or should I say with some form of animation. Now don't limit yourself here because this software has a lot of animation styles. And don't be shy, play around with the software and find out what works for you. Now when it's ready, you click on export, MP4 3D motion, and click on export again. And when it's done, you can easily download it to your desktop. And now you want to repeat this same process for the lion and other 3D zoo animals. And let's head over to the final step. I spent 2 hours in creating this particular step, so I'm going to speed things up so as not to take much of your time. So I'm just going to walk you guys through exactly what I did, and then I'll show you guys the results afterwards. First, you upload all your files into CapCut, arrange them on your timeline, and make sure you give some space between the narrator's voice and the section where you beat the animals goodnight for a more cinematic effect. I'll go over to the audio section and select a soothing lullaby. Next, you drag and drop a clear filter 2 in the effect section, and then you drag and drop a soothing nature effect. And then you want to use the auto caption feature with adequate text and colors for more appeal. And this is the complete end result of our hard work.
Welcome to the peaceful zoo. It's time to put the zoo animals to bed. Would you like to help? Let's go and see who's still awake. Hello, lion. He's been roaring and playing with his pride all day, and now he's feeling sleepy. Can you say goodnight to the lion and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, lion. Hello, monkey. She's been swinging through the trees all day and she's tired. Can you help tuck the monkey in and wish her a good night? Good night, monkey. Hello, giraffe. She's been nibbling leaves from the treetops all day, and it's time for her to rest. Can you help the giraffe get cozy and say good night? Good night, giraffe. Hello, peacock. She's been showing off her beautiful feathers all day, and now it's time for her to get some rest. Can you help the peacock get cozy and say good night? All the zoo animals are tucked up, sleeping soundly. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all your adventures in the zoo today. Good night, little one. Good night, zoo.
And guys, don't forget to leave us a like and drop your comments below. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.